Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Recreated. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Hope you're doing great. So today let's switch it up. We've been doing a lot of chicken, haven't we? So let's switch it up and do a little sweet treat. So we're gonna do chocolate dipped coconut rum macaroons. Oh, they're so good, so delicious. They're super easy, but they look good. Like they look gourmet-ish. They just present really well. You know, like if you're serving them at a party or you're wrapping them up for a gift, they just look pretty. And they honestly taste like a vacation in your mouth. They're so good. So let's just go ahead and get started on those, okay? And let me know if you try them or any of my other recipes. I would love to hear from you. So let's just go. Thanks guys, bye. Okay, so first we're gonna put about 7 ounces of sweetened flaked coconut. And then about a half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And then we're gonna put a teaspoon of rum extract. Oops, wrong way. So we're gonna mix that all together. And then we're gonna beat the egg white until it creates a stiff peak. So hold on, I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the egg white and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Maybe. Come on, guy. And then we're just gonna beat this until it creates a stiff peak, and I'll show you afterwards. All right. Okay, so this is what you want it to look like. It took me about 4 to 5 minutes. This is the most tedious part. So now we're just gonna gently fold it into the coconut mixture. Oh, that rum extract smells so good. So I'm just making a small batch. So obviously, normally you probably make double this for, you know, about 2 dozen cookies, but I'm just gonna make probably a dozen with this. So that looks good. So we're just gonna take a heaping 2 tablespoons and drop them by mounds onto the cookie sheet with parchment paper. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is what they look like. Oh, it smells so good in here. So you just want like a nice light golden brown touch to them. So we're gonna let these cool off. I'm gonna move them onto this other parchment paper. I'm gonna let them cool off completely, and then we will melt some of that chocolate. I'm just starting with a couple since I only have a dozen here. And then we will dip them in chocolate. Okay, let's dip these babies. So we're just dipping the bottom of them so it shows just a little bit around the edges. And I'm just dipping them and then kind of letting the chocolate drip off a little bit. Losing my grip. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so good. Ooh, and you know what, too? And I might do some with like half of them like this. That just reminded me that when it did that, to just kind of, you can kind of go like this to the tops of some of them. Or all of them, whatever. All right, let me finish these. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, there they are. So I did like half plain and then half with chocolate on top. And I know I said it in the beginning, but these really taste like a vacation in your mouth. They are so good. Super sweet, but delicious. And just that vacation feeling. I hope you guys try it. They're so delicious. All right, thanks guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.